I'm Stefan Baumann, and again, we are still at the Valley of Fire, the third day of our workshop. These workshops are incredible. On this particular workshop, it did get a little warm, but we found some nice, cool places amongst the rocks. This is the Valley of Fire. It is one of the places that we go to on our workshop in the Southern Nevada. And I want to sneak up on this artist real quick because she's come the furthest. So let me squeeze in here. So, I'm squeezing. So tell me, where are you from?
Tahi, New Zealand.
New Zealand. She flew in for this workshop from New Zealand. And what's your name?
My name is Moya Deacon Radley.
Yes.
And I'm a great fan of this man.
You're sweet. You want to take off your glasses so I can see your lovely eyes? There you go. So are you having fun with this workshop?
I sure am. Come and do it.
Yeah. It's
beautiful place.
Are you learning a lot?
Hell yeah.
Was it worth coming all the way from New Zealand to do this workshop?
13,000 kilometers for 3 days?
For 3 days.
Absolutely.
Awesome. So,
love your work.
Well, thank you so much. You could keep on painting there. So anyway, that just kind of gives you an example of what we do at this workshop. If you want to come to one of our workshops, just go to stefanbaumann.com and sign up under workshops, and we hopefully will see you in some of the most spectacular places in America. Look at that. How much more inspiration do you need? Sign up now.